Yo, what up YouTube reacts? It's your boy Daddy Easy here, iPod jailbreak hacker, otherwise known as only use me Tomahawks. Some of you guys may know me as DZ, like I always say, to the black to the blue on my avatar on my YouTube channel. Yeah, buddy, so I'm back with another video for you guys really quick. So this is gonna be a very fast video. I'm trying to keep it under 5 minutes. DJI has actually came out with an update. So last night, well yesterday, they came out with a new gimbals for the mobile. So I think it was the DJI Osmo Mobile 7 and 7P. I don't remember the names, but I will put it up here somewhere around here as I talked about it. So I will put that up there. So for the DJI Pocket 3, there was an update for version 01.06.0804. That's a new update, and it added a little bit more features. So there's a new feature on there called mid tele mode. So basically it's a telephoto mode like that basically crops in like the digital zoom. I'm just gonna read off on some of it. I have to take some screenshots of it, so I'm gonna have to edit the video because I have to actually move the pictures over like that so I can read off everything that exactly is on here. All right, what's new? At mid tele mode and video mode, tap the icons at the bottom of the screen to enable the mode. When enabled, a 2x magnification mode telephoto view can be achieved, equal to a focus length of 40 millimeters. While maintaining a maximum 4K ultra high definition resolution compared to digital zoom. Mid tele mode significantly enhances image resolution, preventing more texture details. Okay, in mid tele mode, the maximum ISO is 1600 and active tracking is turned off, which is not even supported on top of it. Okay, it adds breathing compensation features. When enabled, the camera correct changes in field of view caused by shifting in focus distance during recording, optimizing the visual experience. Also, this adds on for the webcam right now. It adds D-Log M, 10-bit color options in webcam mode. Add background download for files in the DJI Memo app. The DJI Memo app needs to be updated to the latest version. So those are everything that's basically been set up on there. You also get the and DJI Memo 2.1.12 supports taking video screenshots and save as static photos and live photos. The availability of video shots depend on the support of the version from Apple, Samsung. I don't know the name of this company. Is eXtremeRate, I don't know, Vivo, and OPPO. Fix some minor bugs. So yeah, that's how you basically do it. I'm going to show you some videos on the screen right now. As you can see right now, I have a box like that. So basically what I did is on the left side and on the right side, I have like a little cardboard box that my gimbal, my cage came in from my Pocket 3, and I have my mouse on my right side. This is just basically so I can keep it even, so when I do both of the tests of the video, it's basically evened out and I know exactly the distance towards it. But as you can see right here, I don't have a lot of light on here, but as you can see on here, I do have these little boxes that I'm moving backwards and forwards. It's basically showing the clarity of it. Now, on one part of the video, when you see me put down the filter box, you're going to notice that you're not going to be able to see the actual website on it, which is supposed to be www.brdrc.net. That's on the first video, and on the second video, you're going to notice that you're going to be able to see it a lot more clearer compared towards what you wasn't able to see on the first one. So as I'm saying all this, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some video up on the screen right now, showing you the screenshots, showing you how the clarity is compared towards the mid tele mode and when I had the regular digital zoom in like that. So that's basically all what happened. Just got a simple update, just add a couple new features. I am going to mess around with the screenshots because I want to be able to take screenshots when I'm doing product reviews, so I still need to mess around with that. All right guys, make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell, hit the like button, subscribe to DY Easy Gang, and I'll catch you guys later. That's it, and I'm out. Deuces. Whoa.